Hello guys, good day. It's Coach Grace again. In our today's class, we'll be talking about WhatsApp marketing. So, what exactly is WhatsApp marketing? WhatsApp marketing is the process of promoting and selling your products or services directly through WhatsApp using its built-in tools such as group, broadcasting list, and status updates. It's especially powerful for informed products like ebook, course, template, guides because it builds personal trust, encourage fast engagement, and allow for direct communication with potential customers. So, WhatsApp marketing is all about promoting and selling your product through WhatsApp. It's one of the easiest. It builds personal trust because it's through WhatsApp you build personal trust, encourage fast engagement, and you're able to communicate with your potential clients or customers directly. So we have three methods of promoting our products through WhatsApp marketing. So number one is how to sell more using a WhatsApp group. WhatsApp group, these are very powerful tools for community driving marketing. When used properly, they allow you to create a high ticket audience or potential buyer who share common interests. So how the WhatsApp group works: you have to create a WhatsApp group that focus on your niche, like um let's say baking class, or hair care solution, or hair care routines, memes, funny memes, just the niche you focused on. Add people manually or via link. Add people or you share them your group link or your social medias account or your Facebook aids. Share valuable tips. You share valuable tips, short lessons, testimonies, and mini trainings. Soft sell your e-form product by introducing it after building trust and interest. Sell your e-form product by introducing it after building trust and interest. You sell them after you communicate with your clients, you build up that trust. And how you build up that trust: you share testimonies, you share short lessons and mini trainings with free ebooks. So tips for success on create using WhatsApp group: don't spam, don't scam, don't more give more value than sell stock. Give more values. Your your product should do the talk. Use pinned messages and daily engagement. Use pinned messages and daily engagement. Create create scarcity or urgency, limited time offer or bonus during the discount. That is every people, my students, they mostly usually buy from discount because it's very beneficial. And it's not that because you buy from me from in a discount price, I won't give you that attention. I will give you that attention I give to people that bought it in a normal price. It's just that when you want to purchase in a discount, you purchase in a discount. When you want to purchase in normal price, you purchase. So that is all for number one. So we're going moving to the next one: how to send more using a broadcast list. So broadcast lists allow you to send messages to many people without adding them to the same group or letting them see each other. It feels like a personal message which interests, opens, rates, and trust. It allows you to send message to many people without adding them to the same group or letting them see each other. If you don't want to add them in one group, you can just use broadcast list. So how it works: save contact of people interested in your offer. You save up their numbers, add them to a WhatsApp broadcast list. Share where written message, testimonies, or product offers directly. Keep it short, emotional, and solution focused. Your product must solve people problems. So why is it powerful? High open rate. Most people read all their WhatsApp messages look personal, so the receiver feel like you are talking only to them. An idea for launching offers, sharing discount, or delivering value based content. So now the third one, how to sell more using a WhatsApp status. It's just like a story features on Instagram or your Facebook or WhatsApp. You can post text, image or videos for 24 hours and people in your contact view list will view it. How does this one works? Post product sneak peek, testimonies, countdown, timers, behind the scene con and special offers on your WhatsApp status. People view this casually and over time they become curious about your offer. When the product solves a real problem, viewers will reach out. Best practice: post constantly, daily or 3 times a week. Use storytelling formats like before and after, problems and solutions, and transformation stories. Add call to action like DM me if interested or click to access. So in summary, under this WhatsApp marketing, so is WhatsApp marketing is a good mind. When done right, it is fast, free and personal, making it perfect for anyone selling digital or informed products. This key to success are build trust and engagement, use value drive communication, build being consistent and authentic. So that is all for now. See you in our next class. Thanks.